Roger Federer isn't just a tennis icon. He's become a case study in how athletes can pivot into high-stakes entrepreneurship and win big. Known for his grace on the court and 20 Grand Slam titles, Federer shocked the sports world in 2018 when he walked away from Nike, his sponsor of over 20 years. While Nike had built the RF brand around him and reportedly paid him about $10 million a year, Federer was looking for more than a logo and a check. He wanted equity, control, and legacy. Enter Uniqlo. The Japanese apparel giant signed Federer to a staggering $300 million 10-year deal. It was headline-grabbing not just for the money, but for the freedom it gave Federer. No footwear clause, no performance requirements, and full control of his image. It was the kind of move that screamed long game, not just athlete branding, but mogul making. Still, Federer had no shoes. That's where On comes in, a then-burgeoning Swiss sneaker brand founded in 2010 by former Ironman champion Olivier Bernhard and friends David Alleman and Casper Capetti. Frustrated with traditional running shoes, they built early prototypes by cutting up garden hoses and gluing them to soles, creating the unique CloudTech cushioning system that gives On shoes their springy, cloud-like feel. Their philosophy? Engineering meets minimalist Swiss design. In 2019, Federer did something rare. He invested his own money, reportedly $50 million for a 3% stake, into On. But this wasn't the celebrity endorsement. Federer joined the design team, collaborated on materials and branding, and even worked on his own tennis-inspired shoe line, the Roger. He trained in On's early running shoes, modified for court play, until the Roger Pro was finalized. It was uncharted territory, a Grand Slam champ working with a startup that didn't even make tennis shoes. That gamble paid off in 2021 when On went public with an $11 billion IPO valuation, catapulting Federer's stake to an estimated $300 million, surpassing his entire career earnings with Nike. And this was on top of his career prize money, $130 million, an endorsement empire. According to Celebrity Net Worth, Federer's total net worth now sits at $550 million, making him one of the wealthiest athletes alive. Not just from what he earned, but from what he built. Federer's decision also marked a subtle shift in the athlete economy, from endorsements to ownership. In a world where LeBron James and Serena Williams are launching investment firms and equity-focused ventures, Federer's On play feels both pioneering and prophetic. He didn't just put his name on a shoe. He helped design it, market it, and then watch the stock soar. Of course, the move had its complications. On was a niche brand. Federer had to rebuild his on-court identity without the instantly recognizable swoosh. Critics questioned whether the masses would follow, but today, On shoes are everywhere, from elite runners to fashion-forward crowds in NYC and Tokyo. With Federer's backing, On has evolved from boutique running company to global athletic brand. As Federer transitions from tennis to legacy, his story with On is proof that sometimes the biggest wins don't come with trophies. They come with vision, risk, and the courage to bet on something new. He didn't just serve aces, he served ownership, and it's paying off in billions.